Did you check the weather for Saturday?
No, I didn't. Why? Is it raining?
Yes, the news says it will rain all day.
Oh no, that is a big problem.
We need to change our weekend plan now.
You are right. Let's sit here and talk.
We wanted to go to the park for a picnic.
But we can't do that in the rain.
What about the cinema?
The cinema is a good idea, but it is expensive.
That is true. Do you have another idea?
How about the new shopping mall?
The mall is very big and dry.
We can walk and look at the shops.
I like that. We can have coffee there too.
Okay, let's meet at the mall entrance at 10.
10 o'clock is a bit early for me.
Is 11 o'clock better for you?
Yes, 11 is perfect.
Should we meet near the fountain?
Wait, which fountain? There are two.
Let's meet at the fountain near the main door.
I know that place. It is easy to find.
Great. I want to buy some new shoes there.
Oh, I need to buy a gift for my sister.
What does your sister like?
She loves books and coffee.
There is a very large bookstore on the second floor.
That is a great suggestion.
We can go there after we eat lunch.
Where should we eat lunch at the mall?
There is a fast food place and a pizza restaurant.
I don't really want fast food today.
Is the pizza restaurant okay for you?
Yes, I love Italian food.
I hear their pizza is very delicious.
This is great English conversation practice for us.
I agree. Planning things in English is fun.
It helps me learn everyday English words.
Oh, I just remembered something funny.
What is it? Why are you laughing?
I have a discount coupon for that pizza place.
Really? That is lucky.
Let me check my bag. Wait. Oh no.
What happened? Is the coupon gone?
No, I have it, but look at the date.
Let me see. It says it expires today.
Today? But today is Friday.
We planned to go on Saturday.
That means we cannot use the coupon tomorrow.
Oh, that is a shame. I wanted to save money.
Wait, why don't we change the day?
You mean go to the mall today?
Yes, if you are free this afternoon.
I am free after 4 o'clock.
That is perfect. We can use the coupon tonight.
So we are meeting today instead of tomorrow?
Yes, it saves us $20.
I like saving money. Let's do it.
Can you meet me at the bus station at 5?
Yes, I can be there at 5.
I'll bring the coupon. Don't let me forget.
Don't worry, I will remind you.
We should check the bus schedule now.
The bus comes every 15 minutes.
That is very frequent. We don't need to hurry.
This is a better plan than the picnic.
I agree. No rain and cheap pizza. Here is the bus station. Is the bus here?
No, but the sign says it arrives in 3 minutes.
Great. I have my travel card ready.
I need to buy a ticket from the machine.
Do you have enough coins?
No, I only have a large bill.
I have some extra coins for you.
Thank you, James. You are very kind.
It's okay. You can buy me a coffee later.
That is a fair deal.
Look, the bus is coming now.
It looks quite full.
I hope we can find 2 seats together.
We found seats. That was lucky.
Yes, the bus is very busy today.
Many people are going to the mall, I think.
It is a popular place on Friday nights.
This is good English for beginners practice.
Yes, talking on the bus is natural.
I feel more confident when we speak like this.
Me too. It is better than reading a book.
I like listening to your English too.
Thanks. We're learning a lot today.
Here we are. The mall is huge.
It always looks beautiful at night with the lights.
Where is the pizza restaurant again?
It is on the top floor, near the cinema.
Let's go to the elevator.
The stairs are better. We need the exercise.
You are right. Let's take the stairs.
I'm getting very hungry now.
Me too. I can smell the pizza from here.
I hope it is not too crowded.
If it is busy, we can wait a little.
We have the coupon, so it is worth the wait.
Oh, there are many people here.
Let's talk to the waiter.
Hello, do you have a table for two?
He says we have to wait 10 minutes.
10 minutes is not too long.
Let's look at the menu while we wait.
I want the cheese pizza with extra tomatoes.
I want the spicy chicken pizza.
Do you want a drink too?
Yes, a cold soda sounds good.
I will have a bottle of water.
This is a great way to use our everyday English.
The waiter is calling us. Our table is ready.
Great. Let's sit near the window.
I can see the whole city from here.
It is a very nice view.
Don't forget to show him the coupon.
I will show it when we pay the bill.
Wait, the menu says Special Friday Offer.
What does the offer say?
It says all pizzas are half price on Fridays.
Really? So we don't even need the coupon?
That is even better.
Now we can save the coupon for another time.
Wait, James, the coupon expires today.
Oh, you are right. I forgot again.
We should use it anyway.
But the Friday offer is already half price.
Let's ask the waiter if we can use both.
I don't think they allow that.
It doesn't hurt to ask.
Excuse me, can we use this coupon today?
He says no because of the Friday sale.
That makes sense. One discount is enough.
Well, we are still saving money.
Yes, it is a very cheap dinner.
I'm happy we came here today.
Me too. The pizza looks amazing.
Let's eat. I'm starving.
Enjoy your meal, Emma. I am so full. That was a lot of pizza.
It was the best pizza I ever had.
Now, let's go find a gift for your sister.
Yes, to the bookstore.
Do you remember where it is?
I think it is on the second floor.
Let's go down the escalator this time.
My legs are a bit tired now.
Mine too. Walking in the mall is hard work.
But it is good practice for our English.
Yes, we used many different words today.
Look at all these books.
This section is for English learners.
My sister needs a book like this.
This one has simple daily conversations.
That is perfect for her level.
Does she like stories or grammar?
She prefers short stories.
Here is a book of easy short stories.
I will buy this one. She will love it.
Great choice. Now, what about the coffee?
There is a coffee shop inside the bookstore.
I can smell the fresh coffee beans.
Let's buy a small bag of coffee for her.
Which one should we get?
She likes the one from Brazil.
Here it is, Brazilian dark roast.
Perfect. I have everything I need now.
We did a lot of things today.
Yes, and we spoke English the whole time.
It's important to do English conversation practice every day.
I agree. It makes me feel very good.
I hope people watching us like this video.
Me too. They should subscribe to see more.
Yes, and click the bell for new stories.
It helps everyone learn together.
Should we go home now?
Yes, the bus is leaving soon.
Let's walk quickly to the station.
Wait, did you leave your umbrella at the restaurant?
Oh no, I did.
Let's go back and get it quickly.
I always forget something.
That's okay. We have time.
Thanks for helping me, Emma.
No problem. That's what friends are for.